Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mahendra, Salesforce Technical Architect, and today I'm going to talk about Agentforce. So let's quickly understand the agenda for today. I'll just take you through how AI has evolved throughout these years. Then we'll quickly understand what Agentforce is and what technologies are there behind Agentforce, what customization and deployment tools we get as part of it. Then we'll also understand the benefits and impact of it. Then we'll quickly cover the attributes of an agent, and we'll also understand how exactly the agent force works. And then at the end, we'll also see some real world use cases of it. So let's get started with the AI revolution. First wave of AI, it started with predictive AI. So where we made predictions based on some past data. We provided structured data as an input to predictive AI, and it generated forecasts and the classifications for us. Core technology behind it was machine learning. Then we moved to the second way of AI, which is generative AI. It can create new content for us, just like text, images, code. you know all these things can be created using generative AI. So as an input, we just provide natural language prompts to it, and then we get the desired output out of it. So it can it mainly uses generative LLMs such as GPT-4 behind the scenes. And then we are currently into wave three of AI, which is agentic AI. So using this, you can build a street smart assistant. They can do tasks for you. They can think, decide, and agents they can think, decide, and act, you know, uh, just like humans, right? So, as an input, you just provide the desired goals and the contextual data to it. And as a result, it does certain actions for us. It can send alert, update records, or it can, trigger flows as well. So we'll, understand the what are the technologies behind agentic AI. So we'll just quickly move to the next slide. And let's just first understand what Agentforce is. So Agentforce, it's a, I mean, as part of Agentforce, you get, set up tools using which you can create or customize your AI agents. These AI agents, they can work independently. They can, execute certain tasks for you. They can create action plans. They can retrieve data, right? And they do it all, without constant human intervention. Let's just understand the technologies behind Agentforce. So first one is data cloud. So data cloud is nothing but a customer data platform offered by Salesforce, where you can bring in data from multiple sources such as Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, or any other cloud offered by Salesforce. You can also bring in data from Snowflake, Amazon S3, or other systems where you can store files or data, right? Next is Atlas Reasoning Engine. So it's a pure brain behind this agent force, right? So what it does is it evaluates the query which is provided to it. Then it retrieves the data based on that query. Then it builds a plan of execution, right? And then it refines that plan, just to make sure that the plan is accurate and it's grounded in the trusted data. And at the end, it executes that plan for us. So that was about Atlas Reasoning Engine. Next is you get, as I said earlier, you get set of customization and deployment tools as part of Agentforce. So first one is Model Builder. Using Model Builder, you can register your own custom LLMs, and you can test them, right? So that's what you do as part of Model Builder. Then you get Prompt Builder, where you create, we can create customized prompt templates to be used. And the third tool which you get is Agent Builder. So using Agent Builder, you can you know build AI agents which can do the daily routine tasks for you, right? And you can create action libraries. So these actions are nothing but flows, Apex, or APIs, which can do the task for you. and then you assign these actions to the agents. So basically, you create topics and you write instructions in a pure natural languages for the topics, and then assign the actions to the topics, and then you can observe or test the responses which you get from your agent right within the agent builder itself. Moving on, let's understand the benefits and impact of Agentforce. So it increases the efficiency of your sales reps or service reps or any other sources you have working in your company, and this AI agents can do the routine jobs for them, and then your sales reps or service reps, they can focus on more complex tasks. These AI agents are available for 24 by 7. They are scalable. I mean, Agent Force is scalable. That means you can create more and more agents as and when required. And you can provide, personalized customer experience to your customers, right? So which improves the customer satisfaction as well. Next is, let's understand the five attributes of an agent. So first one is role. So you need to define what job your agent is supposed to perform. You define, uh, what data they can access, what actions they can perform on that particular data. Guardrails, meaning what things they are not supposed to do. So that also you need to define very very clearly. And the last one is channel. So where you want to expose your agent, that also you need to define. So it could be, email, Slack, WhatsApp, all those things, all those channels you can use to expose your agent. Moving on, let's understand how Agent Force works. So it mainly, start with, I mean, you can initiate a conversation just by launching a chat window, or it can be a event which is, which can trigger a flow or API or Apex class, right? So agent purely, works based on what it knows and what it can do. It works independently, right, with LLMs, and it then chooses the topic, relevant topic, which ultimately, decides with action to perform against the query which is made, and you get the desired outcome out of it. So this is how Agent Force works. Let's understand a few real world use cases. It can draft an email for you. It understand, and it can see the data which you have in your CRM system, and accordingly, it can help you write emails. It can, help you or your team, uh, it can tell you where should, like, I mean, you can focus, right? So, for example, when at the beginning of the day, your sales rep, comes in and log into the Salesforce, it can ask the agent where exactly, he or she should focus. So agent can help with that as well. It can create closure plans as well. So, for example, there's a opportunity and you want a step-by-step plan from your agent to close that opportunity, so you can get that as well. Uh, on the screenshot right-hand side, I mean, it's a use case where you can bring in your Zoom recordings or recordings of your meetings into data cloud, right? And then agents can interact with those recordings as well. So you can ask, simple questions such as what pricing was agreed, in the latest call with a particular client. So agent host can look into those recordings and it can respond as well. Next use case could be scheduling appointment, which is a very, very common use case. So you can do so, right from the chat windows. Next is it can, it can give you forecast guidance as well. It can generate and send documents as well, for you. So it just by launching the chat window, you can accomplish all these things. So these were the use cases I wanted to cover today, and that's all for today. Thank you so much for staying till the end. I hope this video will help. Please leave a comment if you have any feedback or any question on this, and do like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks so much for staying till the end.